I want to go back to one question about the spectrum, the throughput that's reserved. So these being in theory AI data centers, do you read that amount of spectrum requested as that's what they're going to use to send the output for the customer back to Starlink to send down, or is it just the operational data so that the things can be operated?
So I think, and based on the application, I think this is a safe thing to say that the intent is
Mhm.
not to transit any customer data over the RF, and it will
Okay,
just be
so
used to fly
purely
the satellite.
operations. Okay, interesting. Because then would the actual operational customer data be transmitted under a future application if that's not covered by this one?
That's what I think the optical links will be for. So the optical links will allow
Okay,
very high throughput, high data rates,
sure,
because that is the nature of optical.
right. So you're saying that the AI units, the nodes themselves will also have laser links both to each other
Yes.
and to the Starlink constellation.
Yes. I want to
Okay,
be clear that that's not clearly stated, but that is
okay,
sort of the assumption looking at, hey, if you're only
yeah,
using 5 megahertz channels to fly the satellites, how are
uh,
you going to move the customer data? And so we're
right.
sort of, the thought is, well, they have these inter-satellite optical systems, and that
Mm,
must be the way that they're doing it, because otherwise,
okay.
you're right. We know how much data that involves too. How does that get
Mm.
there if they're not doing it over these TT&C links? So I think optical is the answer.